Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: MySQL server running, a database, and an ASP. NET project. Install MySQL. Data or MySQL connector via NuGet. This provides a do. NET drivers. Then add a connection string and app settings. JSON with server, user ID, password, and database name so your app can locate MySQL. Once done, register configuration access in startup or program. CS so you can read the string at runtime. Make sure the user has select, insert, update, delete privileges to avoid permission errors later. Now you implement the core. Read the connection string via iConfiguration, then choose a do. NET or Entity Framework Core. If using EF Core, install Pomelo, Entity Framework Core. MySQL and configure DB context with use MySQL and proper server version. If using a do. Net, open MySQL connection, use MySQL command with parameters to avoid injection, and manage connections with using blocks. Run EF migrations or execute schema scripts to sync tables. Once done, test CRUD endpoints. Logs will show SQL and connection errors for quick finish by validating connections locally, then move secrets to environment variables or a secrets manager for production. Configure connection pooling and optional transient fault retries to improve reliability and ensure DB context or MySQL connection objects are disposed promptly. Deploy and monitor logs for authentication or timeout errors. If something goes wrong, a common fix is to verify host/port accessibility and user privileges, confirm matching server version with the connector, and read the exception stack trace. Those details tell you why the connection failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.